Hello and welcome again today, guys, on another episode of the explanation about price prediction and technical analysis in every stock. So, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's start with good part that is going to be very well indicating for the stock itself. So, however, let's go for those things here. So, price predictions. Okay, we have to go for this support and this resistance and then decreases. Just going to make a decrease. So we have simple method for AVCT to be like this. Okay, so we have to make this increases then decreases in this forms. So I think it is going to make hash movement to be in these two slope lines, and then we have to know that we have to know about two trend lines that can be like this, and then we have to see that the increase in momentum would be the majority for this AVCT. So I think we have to explain it from the start here, and then it increases to this level, so that we have to know that it's going to be in this two lines that starts from this support and ends with this resistance. We have to minimize the chart a little bit so we can know that we have to explain this clearly, even it doesn't have any problem. We have this a value on 13 November 2020 about 59 USD, and here and 26 January 2021 138 USD. So the difference would be actually about 70 USD or 80 USD. Okay, let's see this carefully. Okay, it's going to be about 75 USD. So that is good indicating for everybody who started to have some journey about this stock. So let's see on those two slope lines. We have to know that the start also would be from this support and it starts with this resistance. So the end of this support and resistance would be on this support and would be on this resistance, but this resistance is low quality part that can be indicating for here. So I think the next part would be the increase in momentum on this form. Okay, so I think you guys that is going to be very good thing and well indicating thing for a lot of traders to know that whether this is going to be an increase in momentum for a lot or not. Okay, so that we can have some things that can be related to this stock, since we have to know the price that can be in the middle here of the process. If we put a right retracement, we have to notice that. Okay, we remove this value from the chart so we can see that clearly, and do this arrow. Okay, so we have to put right retracement, and we can see that is going to be on the value. Means this value and this value has 0.5 Fibonacci level about 100 USD. It has a half part of it is upside from this 0.5 to 1 Fibonacci level, and from 0.5 to 0 Fibonacci level is another half part. Then we have to put trend lines in the parts where it have it. Okay, maybe if we can start with this resistance, I think this is going to be very important and fine to know. That is because when we have one Fibonacci level and we can see it that it decreased to this level, that may be true indication for what we want about this stock. Okay, for the right trackment from 1 Fibonacci to 0 Fibonacci. So suppose that we don't have any kind of this. Suppose the wave started to be from this place and it stopped here. Okay, we can make a replay, but right now we can have this start from here, and then we can see that that can start from here. So I think if we wanted to have our journey to know what is going to be next on AVCT, that is going to be increasing here in our consideration, but we have to put right fragment here between the lowest value and the highest value, and then we can check out if it's going to be completed one or not. So I think that is going to be completed process. Then we can put in our consideration that it's going to be on two slope lines, and then it can move here. So we can say that replay mode, okay, and then we can see that it moving in this process, okay. Then it stopped to be in this form, like in this part, and then it made a new wave out of this chart. Maybe it can be a larger form in slope line or slope movement of wave. So it is going to be well indicating for the price that can be from the resistance to the another part here, which is going to be the support, okay. That's going to be very fine thing to know about how can we see that support and resistance, okay, and stop it here on this support with this resistance. So I think it's going to be the accurate one that we have drew here. Then it can touch this another resistance, okay, and this is going to be a simple thing. This is a start of a new wave. It won't be stretched for a longer time on AVCT from 17 May 2022 until it could reach to 17 January 2023. Then we can have this trend line here. We can have after it an increase. Okay, however, American Virtual Cloud Technologies stock is going to be a good stock in the start of 2023. But I think we are now on today on 16 January and is still now not having such any increase in value or noticing that is has any increase in value. Okay, that is, I think that is going to be satisfying for a lot of traders to know that is going to be an AVCT stock progress, and it has right now 70 cents, so it has right now a low value. Maybe it can be on the right now to make this type of spike, okay, until it can reach this level. We put all possible price predictions for you guys to know that is AVCT is still now have a chance to increase from the lowest value that it has reached, which is going to be about 70 cents. Good luck.